The mind-blowing power of AI video is here, but so is the frustrating blank text box. You typed a cool logo reveal with fire and smoke, and the result is unpredictable and amateurish. You know the AI is powerful, but you're just wasting time trying to guess the magic words. The truth is, AI needs creative direction, but you shouldn't have to be a full-time prompt engineer just to create cool VFX. What if you could guide the AI instead of guessing? This is not another blank text box. This is VFX AI Studio. We've built the creative director right into the software, transforming our real-world prompt experience into a simple, guided workflow. It's this easy. Step 1. Choose. Pick a professional blueprint from our library. This blueprint is the creative direction. Step 2. Customize. Make the simple choices and customization. Step 3. Generate. Our engine builds a detailed, optimized prompt for you, guiding the AI toward high-quality results. With VFX AI Studio, you stop guessing and start creating. You get a complete creative suite. The VFX Prompt Gen Library. This is your core creative hub, an extensive library of blueprints for a wide range of projects. It's where you can craft stunning pro-level logo openers in dozens of styles, from cinematic and epic reveals to technology and sci-fi themes. But it goes far beyond just intros. You'll get blueprints to create high-impact product reveals, cinematic scenes, themed food openers, and full channel branding assets, including intros, CTAs, and end screens. You'll also find a rich library of dynamic text effects and essential motion elements to polish your videos beautifully. The Image FX Generator, your scroll-stopping design upgrade. Transform a plain logo into an embroidered patch, a title into 3D gold, or a photo into a neon glow thumbnail. You also get the AI Image Generator for producing high-quality custom visuals, and the AI Video Generator, our powerful VEO-based engine that turns your blueprint projects into motion. And now for the really cool part, full AI modification. This means you can adapt the app to fully match your specific niche. Imagine this. Your client is a real estate agent who needs a promo for every new house. With Mod Mode, you can build a new blueprint just for them, called New Listing Promo, with custom fields for address, price, and agent photo. You can create personalized tools precisely tailored to your needs. But is that all? Not even close. You also get this special bonus bundle designed to help you get results even faster. Bonus number 1, full commercial license. Sell the assets you create to clients or offer them as stock footage and keep all the income you earn. Bonus number 2, the pro sound effects and epic music library. A cool video needs cool sound. Bonus number 3, the pre-rendered animated backgrounds, a ready-to-use library of motion backgrounds perfect for compositing. Bonus number 4, the A to Z interactive e-course, a complete guide to mastering VFX AI Studio from your first click to your first finished project. Bonus number 5, the Mod Mode interactive e-course, the advanced guide that shows you exactly how to modify and customize the studio for your own projects. The choice is yours. You can keep guessing inside the frustrating blank text box, or click the button below and get the creative director that helps you create amazing VFX with confidence. This is VFX AI Studio. Click the button to get access now and start creating today.